Welcome to the tutorial to the Gerafold 205 installation and use. So place the folder on a robust desktop. We supply two plates. One must be fixed on the rear pocket through the slot. The second plate must be fixed by using the screws and having the folder aligned to your table. And then finally we have the power cable. We have to plug in the power cable and turn on the machine. To fold, roll your document, lay down on the ruler, feed in the first guide on the right. Use the magnetic guide to have the alignment, and with both hands move towards the entry of the folder by moving the hands on the same way until the sensor detects the paper. At this time you can hold the document in order to be more precise for the alignment. You place better the mobile guide and verify the alignment on the fixed ruler and on the plastic guide. And then you release. The guide helps you to keep the document in place and align it. The folder runs at 5 meters per minute, and now it's folding panel dimension 185 millimeters. Okay, now we have our documents precisely folded, and we can cross-fold by using the same guide. You can press down, feed in again on the guide. Here we have a 2 label with the 0 help us to identify the dimension 297. So we can flip and mark our 297. And this is our document.